Did you know that a staggering 85% of people worldwide are unhappy at their jobs? That's nearly 9 out of every 10 people. Picture this: a sea of individuals, their faces etched with dissatisfaction, trudging through the daily grind of a 9-to-5 job that they don't enjoy. A job that robs them of their zest for life, that dulls their spark, that leaves them yearning for something more, something fulfilling, something that aligns with who they are and what they value. Now imagine being one of those faces in that sea. Perhaps you don't have to imagine. Perhaps you are already there, feeling stuck, feeling lost. The truth is, job dissatisfaction is a silent epidemic, a quiet crisis sweeping across the globe. But it doesn't have to be this way. If you're part of this majority, it's time to break away and find your true calling. The journey to finding your passion starts with self-reflection. This is a personal exploration, a deep dive into your inner self to identify what truly kindles that spark within you. It's about understanding your interests, your strengths, and what truly stirs your soul. Let's take the example of a successful entrepreneur. Initially, she was on a conventional path, working a 9-to-5 job that didn't align with her true self. It was only through self-reflection that she discovered her passion for creating and innovating. She realized she had a knack for identifying market gaps and creating solutions. Her passion wasn't born overnight. It was uncovered through thoughtful introspection. Self-reflection is not just about identifying what you love doing, it's about understanding why you love doing it. It's about recognizing the emotions and feelings associated with these activities. It is this understanding that will guide you towards your true passion. Remember, the key to finding your passion lies within you. Once you've reflected, it's time to explore and experiment. The world is a vast playground brimming with opportunities. Your passion could be hiding in the most unexpected corners, waiting for you to stumble upon it. So step out of your comfort zone and try something new. It could be painting, coding, cooking, or even skydiving. The possibilities are endless. Take, for instance, the story of Julia Child. She was a secret intelligence officer during World War II before she explored her interest in French cuisine. It was through this exploration and experimentation that she discovered her passion and became one of the most influential chefs of the 20th century. This is the beauty of exploration and experimentation. It's like putting together a jigsaw puzzle. Each new experience is a piece that brings you closer to the complete picture. Don't be afraid to try something new. You never know where it might lead. On this journey, failure isn't a roadblock, it's a stepping stone. It's the unanticipated detour that takes us to destinations we never imagined. It's the rough draft before the masterpiece. It's the practice before the performance. It's the stumble before the leap. Consider the story of Thomas Edison, the man behind the electric light bulb. He faced 1,000 failures before his invention illuminated the world. Yet he didn't view these as setbacks, but as steps forward. Each failure brought him closer to success, taught him something new, something vital. It is in the forge of failure that the steel of our resolve is tested and tempered. Remember, finding your passion isn't a sprint. It's a marathon, a journey of self-discovery filled with challenges and rewards. So anticipate setbacks, embrace them, learn from them, and keep moving forward. Because the road to success is paved with the bricks of failure. Don't let failure deter you, it's all part of the process. The best time to start exploring your passion was yesterday. The second best time, today. Allow me to share with you a real-life example to illustrate this point. Meet Amelia. She was working in a job that wasn't fulfilling her, and she knew she needed a change. She had always loved painting, but never considered it as a career. One day, she decided to take the plunge. She started painting every day, taking online art classes, and even selling her art. Today, Amelia is a successful artist, and more importantly, she's passionate about what she does. This story isn't unique to Amelia. Countless people have discovered joy and success by following their passions. It's never too late to start, and there's no better time than the present. So, take that first step. Experiment, explore, and don't be afraid of the unknown. It's through these actions that we discover our true passions. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring your passions today and unlock a life of joy and success.